Eclipse. A lunar eclipse is going to be this space agey type sound of a song, and we're going to use a new type of marking. If you look at your left hand part right away, you can see the minuto or marcato, one of my favorite things. So you can see that little line right there. Or can you? Focus? I don't know if it's in focus. But there's a little line there. Look at the music. The little line means to play a little louder. Okay, so you hear that left hand melody a little bit. Let's hear that seventh. Okay, so the right hand is playing the C minor chord. The left hand is doing some intervals. Seventh in the beginning of that. Okay. This one I don't really think you need to do by phrases. I think you'll get that first page pretty much the first couple times you play it. Just watch your fingering at the end, especially that little crossover, unmeasured 10 and 11. Make sure you star that or circle that in your music. The second page is a little different, but again, it's nothing too hard. These you may want to practice individually. So the first one starts like this. C minor chord, cross hand arpeggio. The B section, we have our sevenths, our interval of a seventh in the left hand. So watch that. Pretty much that whole the rest of the song. And they want you to be loud in one hand and soft in the next. Again, loud to soft. And then you have a DC al fine, which means go back and stop at the fine. Not too much to explain. It's a really dynamic piece. You want to add a little touch of something called rubato, which means we could take that tempo a little bit and kind of flex it. It's going to feel a little bit weird. You should practice it with a metronome just to get that feeling. You should make sure you understand how long that 3 count is, because that will bust you. But then you're going to take that and let that kind of settle a little bit. So instead of being like super strict, we don't want to be super strict like that. We want to let it flow a little bit. Still in tempo, just slow it down. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So it's in beat, but just changing the beat a little bit. Okay? So try to add that little nuance into it once you get this piece. Enjoy.